Hi, I'm Asha Newbold.
And I'm Rosie Black, property partners at CR Real Estate.
And today we're at Ferndown Close in Hempstead.
This spacious 5-bedroom detached home has everything the growing family could ever need. Come with us, let's take a look around.
To the ground floor, this property offers 4 reception rooms. We have a lounge with adjoining dining room, offering French doors allowing versatility should you require additional space. We have a family room with a bay-fronted window overlooking the views of Hempstead. There's a study, ideal for all those people working from home, or it could be a playroom. There's a modern kitchen breakfast room with adjoining utility room and access onto the rear garden. To complete the downstairs of this property, you have a WC as well.
To the first floor of this home, we have 5 double bedrooms. The master bedroom has an ensuite shower room and built-in wardrobes. The family bathroom has a 4-piece suite, inclusive of a luxury roll-top bath. Ferndown Close is a short distance from Hempstead Valley Shopping Centre.
Hempstead Valley has over 50 shops offering the latest fashion, beauty, homeware and much, much more.
The nearest mainline station is Gillingham, which has a fast train into central London.
The local Hempstead infant and junior schools both offer a good Ofsted report.
Hempstead itself has a huge sense of community and holds an annual Christmas fair for all of the family. Entertaining at any time of the year would be a pleasure in this family home, with extensive indoor and outdoor space.
This home is designed to be enjoyed with friends and family at the heart of its contemporary design. Being tucked away at the top of the stairs, the property offers privacy, seclusion and it's exceptionally quiet. Now, did you know that stair walking burns more calories than jogging? It improves cardiovascular fitness and it also strengthens your muscles. So not only are you buying a home, you're buying a healthy lifestyle.
So if you think this property and lifestyle is for you,
give us a call on the number below to arrange a viewing.